Welcome to the Tor Titan installation guide. Today we will check how to configure CTPT ratio, RS485 settings, wiring scheme, screen scroll via Titan meter screen. Titan 313 rear panel is equipped with 2 analog inputs, 2 digital inputs, and 2 digital outputs. First, ensure your meter is powered on by connecting a 100 voltage to 260 voltage AC auxiliary supply to the negative and positive AUX terminals on the rear panel. The first screen that you land on will be VAF screen. To access the settings menu, long press the joystick for 5 seconds. You will be redirected towards the password page. By default, password for all the Titan SKUs is 1234. To enter, press the joystick. The settings page will have all the settings available. These will include PT ratio, CT ratio, RS485 settings, scroll settings, change password, and factory reset. Click on PT ratio to set the PT ratios. The primary ratio will be able for the user to set. The secondary ratio will be fixed. To go back to the previous screen, long press the left. For CT ratio, the user can set the CT, primary CT ratio, and the secondary ratio, that is 5, will be fixed. To save the setting, long press the joystick to save. Similarly, to set the RS485, set the slave ID. The user can set the slave ID from 1 to 247. Baud rate. By default, baud rate for Titan Nano Energy Meter is 19,200. You can set the parity from none, even, and odd. To save, long press. We have 2 options to set the scrolling screen in Titan, one via joystick and one via auto scroll. Moving forward, the user can change the password and reset all the electrical settings by clicking on Factory Reset. To go back to the electrical screens, press the joystick to the left. And that's it. Your meter is ready to capture the readings. For more information, visit Tor.ai or contact our support team at iotsupport@tor.ai.